Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a quick tour of all of our farm tractors. Starting smallest to biggest. So the first off's our John Deere MT. It's a 1952. And we just drive it in parades pretty much. And then next we have a 1959 John Deere 730. This one's diesel, electric start, wide front, single remote. Next we'll go down here. We have our 1970 John Deere 4000. This tractor has the synchro range transmission, dual remotes, hours are unknown. This tractor was originally a gas tractor that had a diesel motor swapped out into it. And then here we have our 1965 4020. This tractor also has the synchro range transmission. This is a dash tractor, so your hydraulic remotes are up here. It's also dual remotes. And I'm not too sure the hours on this one either. There, it says 2475, but she's been turned over a couple times. Then here we have my 1971 John Deere 4320. This tractor also is synchro range, dual remotes. This tractor has 13,243 hours on it. I had this tractor repainted in 2021. It originally had a cab on it. I removed the cab and added the roll bar on the roof. I guess this tractor here, we use it mainly for raking hay, tedding, whatever. The 4020 the same way, and the 4000, raking, tedding. And then here we have our 1971 John Deere 4620. This tractor here is original paint. The rims were, or they have new rims and tires, but the weights are repainted, but the hood and the rest of it's all original. Factory John Deere cab. This tractor is also synchro range, dual remotes, and this tractor has 7,700 original hours on it. The interior was replaced in that, but otherwise it's pretty clean original tractor. Next we'll head to our 4430s. This one here is a 1973. One's quad range, dual remotes. This was our feeding tractor for a couple years. It caught on fire, so we had to get re-fixed up. The dash was all melted, and that we got it back in working order. Now it just runs the manure spreader and whatever. Then here we have our 1975 4430. This one's power shift, door remotes. It's got 7,930 hours on it. We use this tractor pour sprayer, and also use it for raking and tedding, manure pump, whatever it needs to do. Then we have our 4440, which it's on the mixer wagon. I'll add it in here. This is our 1981 John Deere 4440. Hooked to our mixer wagon. This tractor is also quad range. It's got 9,100 hours on it. So, ever since we bought this tractor, all it's done is mix feed. So now we have our 4450. I'm not 100% sure on the year on this one. This one's also quad range, triple remotes. This one's got 8,490 hours, and we use this one to run our claws round baler, manure pump, manure spreaders, whatever. Then we'll go over here. We have our 4455. It's used to run our rock merger. So once it gets hooked up in the spring, we usually don't unhook it till we're done making hay. This one's got the 15-speed power shift. Triple remotes.
We have needed examples.
And this one's got 11,111 hours. 11,311 hours. It's, like I said, it runs the merger, manure pump, manure spreaders. Next we have our 7810. We use it on our triple mowers. Also runs the grain drill in the fall, plant and cover crop. This one's got the IBT transmission, triple remotes. This one's got 8,493 hours. This is probably one of my favorite tractors. It's got the front 3-point hitch, PTO, so it works good for running the mower. We also have a silage blade here we'll put on the front of it if we need an extra push tractor. Next we have our 7730. This tractor here we use to push bunker when we're chopping forage. Also runs the big square baler. This tractor's got the power quad transmission, 4 hydraulic remotes, and it's got $10,322 hours on it. But it runs good. We've not had to do a whole lot of work to this tractor in the years we've had it. It's a 2009. We bought it in 2015. Then our last tractor, our biggest one, is our 6210R, which also has a loader. Main job's push and feed. Runs the corn planter. It's got front 3-point hitch PTO, so we can run the triple mower on it. Could run the silage blade also. And it's got $8,322 hours on it. It's IVT also. But so it's a quick tour of all the tractors we use here on our dairy farm.